In this video, we'll show you how to wirelessly charge your accessories using your Pixel phone. You can use your Pixel 5 to wirelessly charge compatible devices like Pixel Buds and other wireless headphones. To wirelessly charge other devices, you'll need to turn Battery Share on. Battery Share is automatically turned on when your phone is plugged in. If you want to turn on Battery Share manually, swipe up from the home screen to find all your apps. Tap Settings and then tap Battery. Tap Battery Share and turn it on. You can also stop sharing your Pixel's battery at a certain charge level by adjusting the slider. To charge the compatible device, set it on the back of your Pixel phone. Now you know how to charge your accessories wirelessly with your Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.